Assertion and reason. A sphere is performing pure rolling on a rough horizontal surface with constant angular velocity. Frictional force acting on the sphere is zero. Reason. Velocity of contact point is zero. Assertion true, reason is true, reason is the correct explanation for assertion. Take option A. Assertion true, reason is not correct explanation for assertion. Option B. Assertion is true, reason is false. Option C. Assertion is false, reason is true. Take option D. So first assertion, let us go through very carefully. Sphere is performing pure rolling on a rough horizontal surface with constant angular velocity. Frictional force acting on the particle is zero. Velocity of contact point is zero. So if we take this is the rolling body, this is the rough surface on which this body is rolling. If angular velocity is constant, then frictional force acting on sphere is zero. In case of pure rolling, velocity of contact point is always zero. But since velocity of contact point is zero, frictional force acting on the sphere is zero. This is wrong. Since angular velocity is constant, it is not accelerating. In this case, or angular acceleration. Therefore, there is no external torque required to increase its linear velocity. Therefore, the frictional force acting on the sphere will be zero. So, option will be in this case. Sphere is performing pure rolling on a rough horizontal surface with a constant angular velocity. Friction force acting on the sphere is zero. Since angular velocity is constant, we can consider this option to be correct. Velocity of point of contact is zero. In pure rolling, always velocity of contact point is zero. So this is also true. But the reason velocity of contact point is zero, because of this, the frictional force acting on the sphere is zero is wrong. So assertion is true, reason is true, but reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Option B is correct. So answer will be option B.